Oh, I see. So everybody wants to cap B. Is that what we're doing? Is that what we're doing? We're just not gonna cap our home base flag.
I'm the
Oh,
first guy to
oh,
touch
oh.
B. Everybody else is
Never
kind of
mind.
tiptoeing
I,
the fuck around it,
I
going
I
for a
got
C.
my knees shot.
I'm the only
My
man on B.
knees.
I'm taking this shit solo. I'll fuck any man in the butt that comes and dares to try and take it from me. I'll take their asses.
Yo, he came around the corner with a big ass shotgun.
What did you do?
Put him down.
Yeah.
Alpha secured.
If one man can hold you down, two can rape you.
It's kind of sus, man. That's kind of sus.
What the fuck are you goddamn retards talking about?
Oh, hell no.
Game, nigga.
Hey, bro, don't get mad because I like fucking dudes and you don't fucking like fucking dudes, dude. Ew, he's fucking stinky. He's Indian.
Yep. I end up muting HUD every time. Every time I mute that dude.
Whatever you say, buddy. That makes you feel better about yourself. Yeah, I left him talking to himself.
Yes, the best.
Yeah. I don't know what the fuck's wrong with that guy. I gotta be honest.
It's called a PP. A personal problem.
What a sad ass nigga. Speaking in Onyx.
Damn, he was so well camoed. Look at this dude. Outside the box.
We captured Charlie. Clear.
Oh. I think I saw some red mist.
Type shit.
Left side of B if you're face. Ah! I got shot in the neck.
Good. I'm about to fuck this nigga in his asshole. Come here. I hear death screams. Oh yeah, he did. He did. Hell, boy. I need that hell, boy. What the hell, boy? I need that hell, boy. Over there, boy. That hell, boy. Over there. Somebody's blocking me. That was a teammate.
He dead. He dead.
Oh yeah.
You gonna do a little bit of scuba diving?
I got catch.
Oh, damn, bro.
These guys aren't very tactical.
I'm on apples. Oh, someone's in apples too.
Securing Alpha.
Gonna need 6 men, 6 rifles on that roof. 6 men, 6 rifles on that door.
Enemy taking Bravo.
Oh, fuck yeah, lion. What the fuck? I swear I was just over there. I don't know how you guys took A, but I just took the lease out on that, so if y'all could have it back, that'd be great.
We're taking Alpha now.
Oh, crap. Alambuku!
Akarabuku!
If you kill me, you have nothing better to do.
Yeah, nothing better to do.
Dude, I think I just blew up his grenade in his hand.
Hell yeah, dog. I'm out here fucking niggas up.
Okay, I want Charlie. Cover me. Cover me.
Oh, my bad. Hello. I totally just shot you.
He said, my flag!
Uh-oh. There's a guy at the front edge.
Lay it all on him, everybody, with whatever you got on that window! Or don't. I just ran out of ammo, so if somebody could drop their gun, that'd be great. Never mind, I am dead. I got shot in the neck.
Fuck! Someone's down. Losing Charlie.
We are not losing Charlie.
There's a faggot hiding in a corner on B. Oh, well, we're gonna win anyways in like a second. Never mind. Yeah, 1 point and we won.
Should we just let them have their fun and then we'll, oh no, it's going like triple points. Never mind.
Yeah, might wanna get our hands on one real quick.
Hey guys, I've got a pistol. Come get me. I'm at
Hey, look
Alpha
at
Alpha.
that.
Oh, what? Stealing my thunder.
Revolver, pussy. Blam by the revolver, pussy. Yeah, that's something, ass. Oh, that sucks. Oh. Karma on the leaderboard again.
Thanks, everyone. Thanks.